Go.
What are you taking a picture?
I'm not taking a picture of you. Now do it.
Suck!
No, you gotta feel it.
Suck!
What? No.
After all tomorrow is another day. Suck! I can't do it anymore, I'm telling you.
Suck.
Suck! Suck!
High five.
I didn't do it. Quit taking pictures
I'm not
of
taking pictures of you. I'm taking a video.
Wait. Why? Suck!
Your bangs, they were like up there for like 2 seconds and then I was. How you do it?
Suck!
Ah, man.
Oh, baby, but don't take my picture. Not how you do it. You're supposed to go sideways with them toes there. Yes. Suck.
Wait. Unforgivable.
Unforgivable. You can't even tell.
Tell Anika I want a chicken sandwich and some waffle fries for free.
What do you want with that? Bitch. Give me a Dr. Pepper or something. Bitch, give me the pussy.